Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a private Discord server. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, I am going to open up Discord application and here I tap on these three lines and there I look for this plus icon, tap on it and here I can create my server. Let's select the first option, create my own on the top of the list, tap here and here let's select for me and my friends. I tap on it, here I can make a name for my server, let it be for example test, and then I tap on create server and here I get my server created. I can now set up my server, I can invite here my friends, I can upload a server icon and I can send my first message. For now I will skip these steps and now let's step on the top here on general. Then I need to tap on settings and here let's look for channel permission. Tap here and here it is, private channel. Just toggle it on and now my channel will become private and visible to select members and rows. Now let's say yes and here it is. Here we create a private Discord server and you see how it's simple and easy. So this is the way how you can make private Discord server. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.